What's up, YouTube fam? Before we get going here, I have to address something that's just been a thorn in my side, and that is down in the comments, you'll find a perpetrator, someone that's pretending to be me, that's telling you to contact them because you won some sort of prize and he stole my logo. This person, I have reported their account so many times. I've block them, but they keep creating new accounts. So if you ever see something down in the bottom, down in the comments, or someone comments on you with like my logo, it's not me. Do not, it'll just have, when it'll be the true London Mex, nothing else added to it. And a lot of the time, if I'm going to contact you because you won something, it will be through email or, a DM on Instagram at London Mex or something like that. But I will not ask you down below to download an app where I can help you claim your prize. If you see this guy, report him, because he's just out there trying to get rich off of you guys and your generosity. Don't fall for it. With that being said, let's get to the video. It's just a fun one today, guys. Short and sweet, just how you like it. And we'll see you later.
You guys want to see my video?
Doing what he knows best, igniting a second chance for a bike and a rider. 2-stroke or 4-stroke, from budget builds to best in class, from the Bakersfield Hills to the Supercross track. You're watching the London Mex YouTube channel. You're watching the London Mex YouTube channel.
Yeah, well, we're up above Spooner Lake right now, Travis and I, just getting killer shots for Galfer USA, guys. And it's going good. We're up at this little rock monument up here, just doing some sick lines. I'll show you a little sample here. Sweet, right? Oh yeah. So anyway, yeah, this is day 2 on the bikes with Travis. It's going good. I wanted to ride the 450, the 07, because I just got this thing kind of desert ready, the high capacity tank on it, and I wanted to ride it. This thing just runs so good. We're gonna go catch up with Travis. He's scouting out another area to get more photos and video. We're just trying to find that like technical, the technical looking type photos and videos. Out there is Spooner Lake, and then out there in the distance, probably can't see it with the GoPro, but that's Lake Tahoe. So yeah, Spooner right here, Tahoe out there. Pretty sweet. So I'm gonna go find Travis and see what he's got in mind, and I'll let the video roll here so you guys can see what we're kind of doing. It's kind of neat to look at, see what the eye picks out for cameras and stuff. Just always scouting. We're always just like looking for, oh, where's a sick place to shoot, like. I hear him. I don't know where he is, but I hear him. There he is. Oh yeah.
I just figured it'd be cool, blast up some pine needles and...
Oh dude, yeah, roll the slow-mo, like Just turn them up.
Hit the first one on the gas and then hit the second one.
Yeah, let me set up a couple. I'll do the handheld. I'll do the iPhone on slow-mo and the GoPro.
Yeah, I just figured something. One looking up this way. I'll go right next to
Yeah, and all this virgin pine needle.
Yeah, and then have you actually filming from the middle where you can pan. So I'll go past you, but like an iPhone single shot
going up.
Yeah.
The handheld over on the side.
Yeah.
And maybe GoPro on the helmet over somewhere.
Wherever, yeah.
Just another third eye.
Yeah.
I'm giving everyone kind of the behind the scenes of doing photo shoots and stuff. So yeah, this is cool. It's gonna be loose in here. You're gonna be turning some gears.
Just be leaving it in first and
just cranking on it.
Yeah.
Let it eat.
Let it rev.
I like it. Let me get this Honda probably down there.
Maybe even just
on that
tree.
On that rock maybe?
Yeah, that would work.
So yeah, I thought I'd bring you guys along and just a quick video of how, you know, product shots are made. You know, I've been working with Galfer for about almost 2 years now, and I've learned a lot, and I figured, you know, what better way.
You always lean that on your shift linkage?
You know, it's a Honda. Yours is the same color.
That's purple.
It's Austrian Honda.
Yeah. It's red, not pink. Yours is pink. It was pink.
It's a Honda. Like, I think I stand on the shifter half the time I ride that thing anyway. So we're good. Yeah, guys, I've been working with Galfer for a while, and I figured, hey, you guys want to see how some product photos and videos are done? Bring you along for the ride and show you guys how that's made. And, you know, I got basically the OGO backpack. Big ups, OGO. Always keeping the riders hooked up with the newest, best stuff. Make some epic stuff, man.
Kilo over there.
Pat Lopez.
The man.
So let's go. Let me get this out of the bottom. But yeah, Travis up from Temecula.
Only person in that town that rides dirt bikes.
Really?
Off the track.
Off the track. I was gonna say, I know a couple of the guys that are on the trail down there, but now they're rich and don't ride very much anymore. Okay. So guys, if you're doing epic cell phone video, I'll show you guys a little bit of a neat hack if you didn't already know. Give it a thumbs up if you didn't. But
and leave a comment if you did.
Oh, I can't do Face ID. Doesn't know who I am. So always on horizon, never vertical unless you're doing Instagram stuff. But here's the thing, guys, if your zoom is out far enough, you could always crop it to 9:16 for Instagram or TikTok, whatever you're doing there. So go into, not pano, go into slow-mo, and then at the top right here, you see how it automatically goes to HD 120? Go HD 240. So what that's going to do is now you have two options. You go HD 240, or you can do, and this is on the iPhone 12 Pro X, but I believe this works on 12 Pro also. So between high definition 120, 140, that's how many frames per second. So 240 frames per second. So what I'm going to be able to do is, let me just take a quick sample video here. So blah, blah, blah. And then so you guys know that when you create iPhone videos, see how it automatically slows down. I hope the GoPro's picking this up. See how it automatically slows everything? Well, you go into edit. Use passcode. You guys can't see this.
In case one of your viewers finds your phone.
Right.
Or one of your kids watch the video.
So when you go into edit, this is the speed bar. So you slide the speed bar closed. Now the frame is in one speed and shot in 240 frames a second. So when you put it in editing, you can drag that video speed super slow. And then of course just hit done, and then it's saved. So see, we'll go back. Now it's regular speed. So that's how you do the high speed 240 frames a second. And of course, we're going to show you guys exactly how this clip comes out right after this. So if you didn't like that little tutorial, if you already knew about it, tell a friend about it. You know, it's all about creating awesome stuff, awesome content for the web these days. Whether that's your passion or just your hobby, we all like doing it. So I'm going to...
So want to come in this spot.
Okay.
Have it offset a little bit.
Okay.
I think right about here.
Is that in your way?
No, I'm good. But I do think, I mean,
Yeah, no, put it where you think.
I think this is going to be the hot spot.
You twist the handle. Yeah, there you go. Are you trying to get the shot with that one too?
Yeah.
Oh, I'll just airdrop you this one.
No, I want my vertical. There you go. That'll work.
So if you guys didn't know, and I don't know what order I'm going to drop these videos, this is my buddy Travis Brock every single Sunday on YouTube, Instagram, and I'm trying to talk him into the whole TikTok thing.
But I'm not 15.
But he's not 15, neither am I. I'm actually a year older than Travis, and I still TikTok, so I don't know his excuses.
Alright, so we got that, and then that's rolling.
We're rolling. Okay, I'm going to go grab the Nikon Z6, which is set at 1440.
I didn't put mine in 240 though.
Can you just tap record watching through the viewfinder of this one? Because we got cameras rolling. Tell them to roll it back. Let's do it again. That's how we do it. Now I'll show you guys the edited version. Let's go. And that, ladies and germs, is how it's done. I mean, that's just, you guys could tell obviously the composition rate between the Z6, and you could tell which one was the iPhone. But using that 240, if you guys are doing some sweet little edits for Instagram or TikTok or something like that, you could always, like I said, slow-mo, HD 240. You're going to get a high frame rate, which means you could bring the film speed down. It's just a cool little thing I thought I'd share with you guys. But yeah, that's it for the day, guys. The YZ450, I finally have 100% done. It needs no other parts. I'll have an update on that very, very soon. I'm selling the 99 CR250. That's up for $2,500. Just because I need to move some things out for some future projects, if you know what I mean. Other than that, all the normal bikes are in here. I just got done repacking the muffler on the GPX FSC 450R, and I think I'm gonna go for a little dual sport ride. So for now, guys, I hope you had a great weekend. It was fantastic for me. Thank you again to Travis Brock from Every Single Sunday. Guys, make sure you guys visit his channel. He does a lot of really cool enduro stuff, kind of the stuff that I'm warming up to, but I'm not doing it yet. So he's a very accomplished, talented enduro rider. I highly recommend you go check out his channel and throw him a sub. Tell him London Mix sent you, and go enjoy his stuff. He's currently, like, right now down in Arizona. He left my house and went down to Arizona. The guy's just always moving, and he shoots a lot of really cool content. Great, a lot of great drone footage. And yeah, he's He does really well. So guys, for now, I love every single one of you guys. I will talk to you very, very soon. That's a promise. Peace out. And don't forget, dude, those guys down the telegrams that say, you know, hit me up, London X, you want a free prize. It's not me. Don't fall for it. Just report them. Okay, guys? I love every single one of you. I'll talk to you very, very soon. That's a promise. Peace out for now. Bye-bye.